Hi, let's see demo for Agri Shop. Okay, open XAMPP control panel and here start Apache and start MySQL. To see the backend database, you have to click the MySQL admin button. It will promote you to the web browser. So here the backend database. In the left hand side you can see your project DB Agri Shop. So here the project tables are there. This is the DB tables. You can see the registered users. So now open Android Studio. In the Android Studio left hand side you can see the project source code. Open AVD Manager. Click on the play button. So once you launch this Android emulator, you will get this window. So open our Agri Shop project app. So here you can able to see the list of product, that is vegetables. Over here you can search by means of the vegetable name or category. So as a new user you have to make a sign up. As a existing shop farmer, I am using the farmer seller login. So login successful. So here any farmer can able to buy or sell. Okay, since it is a farmer app, anybody can sell the product. So if you want to add a new product, you have to go for the product details, my product. So here you can able to see the option adding the new product. So here the existing products will be available, the product image, price details, everything. If you want to update it, you can able to edit the price. So once you edit the price, it will be reflecting for the users also. It is updated successful. So now we are going to register a new user login, okay, as a customer login. So you have to fill up the sign up basic details. It is registered successfully. So now we will have a OTP verification you will get in the mobile app. Once you do the OTP verification, now you can able to do the user login. It's login successful. So now we will start to purchase a product. You can click this product to see the complete details. Click on add to cart. It is added successfully to the cart. If you can able to edit the cart, the count, or you can able to delete the count. So I am increasing the quantity of the product to 3. So 3 into 24, it will be 72 rupees. Okay, so plus the shipping charges will be 12 rupees. Total is 108. So if you want to place the order, you click on the place order. If you are a new user, you have to add your address. So you have added the address successfully. Once you add the address, you can able to see it. So it is placing the order now. So there is a wallet concept is there, so you have to add the wallet balance to your account. Okay, so by your registering the app, you will get some amount of balance automatically. So you can add the amount. It's a dummy wallet, it is not a real wallet. So you can add the 1000 rupees to your account. Now from the admin side, you can see the order we have placed here. Okay, so you can change the status to shipping. So whatever the order from the user side, it will be visible in the my sales option. Okay, so you can add the two more option called where the shipping area is located and what is the tracking ID of the courier. So for example, it is transferring to Chennai to Bangalore, means you have to enter the shipping area status and the tracking ID. It is updated successfully, so the same status will be reflecting in the user side also. Thank you.